Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients. Start by selecting about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, perhaps vanilla or chocolate. Next, grab about 1/2 cup of milk. Whole milk works wonderfully for a creamy texture. Finally, decide on any extra flavorings or mix-ins you might want to add. Now let's get blending. Pour your 1/2 cup of milk into the blender first. This helps the blades move smoothly. Then add your 2 cups of ice cream. If you are using syrups or extracts, add them now. Start blending on a low speed for about 10 seconds, then increase to a medium speed. Blend for another 30 to 60 seconds until it is perfectly smooth. The best part about milkshakes is customizing them. Feel free to add a 1/4 cup of fresh fruit like strawberries or a tablespoon of chocolate syrup for extra flavor. For texture, try adding about 2 crushed cookies or a handful of chopped nuts. If you prefer it sweeter, a teaspoon of sugar or a drizzle of honey can be added before the final blend. Your delicious milkshake is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the entire mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of your favorite toppings, or even a bright red maraschino cherry. Grab a wide straw and savor every single sip of your perfectly crafted, creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.